Alright, beautiful people, so this large branch just fell from the tree that nobody got hurt. But using this mini chainsaw, I've been able to cut it up pretty good. And I want to show you just how powerful this thing is. So you can see I'm working through this pretty fast. And what looked like a large branch is quickly becoming smaller. And you can see it's very powerful and honestly very convenient. And even thick parts like this, thick branches, look at that. I don't know, that's an inch maybe in diameter, I'm not sure, but it makes quick work of this, and 100% recommend this bad boy for stuff like this.